everyone, it's Patty from the studio. Hope you're all doing well, staying safe and healthy. We're in the midst of Q4 selling, so it's starting to get a little crazy. I'm really pushing things through, doing a lot of discounts because I'm concerned about shipping time. We had a lot of delays last holiday season, so I'm trying to, kind of think of that ahead of time. But Christmas will always happen, the holidays will always come, and I don't like to rush my life, but I want to be prepared to try to sell things more in November than the week before the holidays. So I went to my favorite little church thrift store where it's 50% off day, which of course is one of my favorite days. So let's see what I picked up and why, and what I anticipate or hope I can flip them for. So stay tuned, here we go. Here's the haul from this weekend's visit to the church thrift shop. It's not a huge haul, but I think I got some great pieces. And let's walk through it and I'll tell you why I think that. My total spend at the haul was $15.25. And I know the items that I think I'm going to make that back. So let's start with this. It's a piece of Gorham crystal. This is the most expensive item. I got it for $5, but it marks the 100th anniversary of the teddy bear. So it's from Gorham, which is a very good name. I've sold a few things of theirs, but being that it's in the box, it's a Christmassy ornament, definitely will, I say, I could get probably 15 for this. So we shall see. Next item is this Mikasa bottle stopper for your champagne or your wine, and it's in the original box. It still has the tags, and this I picked up for $1. It was $2.50 off. So again, having it in the box, the original price, it's made in Austria. I don't see the original price, but nice thing for the holidays, especially in a box. Makes it easy to give as a gift to somebody, as a hostess gift or whatever. Then this mug, I actually got, let me see, five of these mugs. They were each marked 50 cents, so total was $2.50, half price $1.25. These mugs are considered restaurant ware, Syracuse, China, and restaurant ware was big in the 40s and 50s and 60s, and it's literally for restaurants, diners, very durable, utilitarian design, simple, and Syracuse, China was one of the main manufacturers. I'm going to do some more research based on the information on the bottom of the mug. Syracuse, China also did a lot of dinnerware for railroads. So I'm going to look and see if I have any more information. But restaurant ware I do very well, very collectible. So I have 5 mugs, which is always nice. Then this little piece is modern. It looks like Hobby Lobby or Michael's, but I loved the green iridescent, and it was $1, and it's like a fish or mermaid tail. I don't know. I just thought it was pretty, and for $1, if I get $8 for it, I'll be happy. And I just thought it was really pretty. And mermaids and fishy things are kind of trending right now. Then this beautiful vase was $2.50, Asian inspired. I'm not sure if it's hand painted or transferred. I think it might be hand painted. Transferred is almost like decal. Even vintage items, sometimes it wasn't hand painted, but it was transferred. And you can usually tell because there's like a lot of little dots, almost like pixels. This, I do not see that. There's a mark. Again, I don't know. I think it's vintage though, because very few things just say Japan. When they're more modern, they might say made in Japan. So I thought it was really pretty, in good shape. There's no chips or fading. There's a couple of items on the back. Those are called flea bites, and they're like a manufacturer's, not even a defect, just a byproduct. So it's not considered a chip. It's considered a flea bite. But I would definitely mark that and call that out on the listing for that. Then this beautiful item is a picture, holiday, Christmassy. I got it for $2, and it is Polish, I believe. Yes. I'm not even going to begin to pronounce it, but I'm going to do some research on that mark. But it's definitely Poland, definitely hand-painted, beautiful condition. And I think this will go pretty fast. So for $2, I would anticipate I could almost see maybe $30 for this. I've had a couple of other pieces of Polish pottery, and it's very heavy. This is all hand-painted, really pretty for the holidays. And back on the holidays, one of my favorite brands to sell is Spode. Picked up this tile for $1. Trivet, framed in a heavy wood, marked on the back. There's some sticker residue, but I'll note that. But again, you can tell a Spode right away if it's got kind of that Victorian Santa on the top of the tree. You'll see a lot of different companies that have a similar feel, and they'll have maybe a star on the top of the tree or an angel. You don't even need to look at the back. Spode will always have that Santa. And their pieces are always marked as well, but just eyeballing something, you'll know right away. And Spode does very well for me. I sell it very quickly. The final piece is this completed crewel. Sorry for all the reflection. But I like it because it's on black linen. You don't see that all the time. Very simple, very pretty, botanical. And on the back is signed by the woman who did it and the year. So I can confirm provenance, as they say. And I do well. Crewel is still highly desirable. People love that aesthetic of the old school embroidery. So that's it. My haul, as I said, came to $15.25. The Spode will sell quickly, and I think this will sell quickly. The other items, might take a little time. This was frivolous, but I thought it was pretty. And I think the mugs will do well, especially if I do more research and see if there's a backstory to this particular style. So that's it. Bye from the studio. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you again from the studio. Bye, everyone.